and welcome to another Melbourne Railway Videos production. Today I'm here at Hayington on the Glen Waverley line. The next Strathrost departing. That is a Glen Waverley service. So this is Hayington. It is the only station on the network which officially doesn't have disabled access. So that makes it somewhat unique. It's also interestingly got this wide gap between the platforms. I'm not sure if there was a third track in the past, or if there's ever been a third track, or perhaps there was an island platform at some stage in the past too. But yeah, if someone knows why it's there, please put in the comment section. Just walking to the up end of the platform. You can see that the tracks have recently received some newish sleepers. So looking over here, there's a bridge over the Yarra River, quite a big bridge. Okay, the wind's decided to become really cold all of a sudden. To the left, you probably can't see it right now, there is, I think it's the Gardeners Creek. And to the right, actually no, maybe to the left too, there's St Kevin's, which is one of the most prestigious schools in Melbourne, and has recently been embroiled in major scandals to do with, I think, pedophilia and all that sort of thing, toxic masculinity, covering up certain things, so it's lost somewhat of its prestige. Alright, well I'm probably just going to head over to the other side and get a train back. Don't have a lot of time here, so yeah, I'll show you the other side. So there's actually a dedicated entrance to St Kevin's, which is pretty rare. I'm not sure there are too many stations going around the network which have dedicated access for a school. Just at the top of the footbridge, you can see that there's another footbridge. Goes over actually this is the Yarra River. That footbridge leads to the Gardeners Creek, or Gardeners Creek, whatever you want to call it. This here is the Yarra. You see quite a nice view of it. Looks like they've got a little launch spot for rowing or kayaking. And yeah, I think that's the Monash Freeway. Not entirely sure. Just walk across to this side, hopefully the train doesn't come soon. This is the only way to get between the platforms. That's the up end. And this is the down end. The other end of the footbridge, just look through here, that is the bridge when it comes into focus that I was talking about. I'm not sure if there's a pedestrian component to it. There might be on the left, so that would be quite an interesting thing if you can walk over it to check out. So I know there are other bridges over the Yarra which have pedestrian crossings too. This is the way into the station. If they were to introduce disabled access, I think it might be a bit difficult. I think I'll just have a look at the top here. It's like a bike path, and this will just take us into residential areas by the looks of things. Yep. It's the fact that it's located on a hill that makes it very difficult to install disabled access. They could probably install ramps if they tried hard enough, but The locals probably wouldn't like it. Now on platform 1, there's another look at the bridge. Based on those lights, I think there is a pedestrian crossing. If you look all the way down there, you can also see some extrapolases. That is, well, I think they're parked at the Burnley stabling yard. I heard an extrapolis just before, so I'm assuming it won't be long before it does arrive. And we've got the train arriving. Its last stop, I think, was Kooyong, and its next will be Burnley. Flinders Street service. 241M's leading. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.